Welcome. Welcome. Okay, one more time. Welcome, my friend. I need a pen. I need a pen to look sophisticated. There we go. Now I look more sophisticated. Okay. So you want to learn how to make games. Well, you came to the right place. Let's just get into it. For this tutorial, we're going to be using JavaScript. If you're new to programming and are still trying to figure out which language to use, just use JavaScript. I remember when I was first learning how to code, I would go on YouTube and be like, what programming language should I learn? And I would like watch these boring ass fucking videos about all the little tiny idiosyncrasies between languages. And it doesn't fucking matter. Just learn JavaScript. It can be used on 99.9% of devices, and the 0.1% of devices you don't really care about anyway. So learn JavaScript. For this tutorial, you only need the basics. You need to know how to define variables, the types of variables, and you need to know about functions. And if you're like, well, I have no idea what you're talking about, just go on YouTube, type in JavaScript basics, watch that video, then come back to this. You should be good. You're going to need a text editor. Personally, I use Visual Code. Here's a little tip. If you're on a school or library computer, you can get around admin access by downloading the portable version and then running the VS Code executable. And that's everything you need. In the next video, we're going to be setting up our application and then learning about our game loop. Peace. So you want to learn how to make, wait, fuck. Why am I pointing over there? Pointing here.